It's very high. And I
pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
Hey guys, welcome back to Becky's Corner. In today's video, we are going to be decorating for Christmas. I'm super excited, guys, because there's only 31 more days until Christmas and
7 more days until the 1st of December.
I'm very excited. It's the, what day is it today? Today's the 24th.
November.
The 24th of November, so there's only 7 more days until the 1st of December. Sometimes we do it earlier, sometimes we do it later. I don't know about you guys, but comment down below when you start decorating for Christmas. Yeah, here's my mom.
Hey guys, how you all doing? She's going into the Arctic. She said it's not Arctic. You know me, I'm a Nigerian woman. If I want to use my Nigerian accent, I'll just say, okay, oh, the Christmas tree is in the roof. They are calling it Arctic. And I said, okay, well, let me try and be funny. Let me use the word Arctic. And they said it's not Arctic. You don't have to pronounce it haka. If I want to pronounce haka, they will say it's not haka. I said, okay, oh, roof. Christmas tree is in the roof. So we are going to remove the roof and bring the Christmas tree down. And some is also in the garden. We are going to remove the Christmas tree in the garden. The Christmas decoration is a lot. We are just going to be using what we already have. It's just as simple as that.
Period to start. Period. Okay guys, so you're gonna follow us to the attic. Let's go. You don't even have a choice. You have to come with me to the attic. Anyway, let's go. So guys, when my mom was talking about the roof, she means up here. And when she said she's gonna take off the roof, she means take off this thing here. I can't reach it. Like, look how, even as tall as I am.
I don't want to hear that you can't reach it. Because I'm not in the mood for decoration. You see that saying you want to decorate. Oh yeah, climb. Anyway, like your wine.
Guys.
Oh my.
Diamond, this thing is blurry again.
Do you have to turn it? You have to turn the front bit. No, the first one.
Alice, why did you do that?
First. Yeah. And turn it until it's not blurry.
But it wasn't like this before. Why do we have to go through all this every time?
No, it was like that.
No.
Okay, guys. Ish. Corona supplies.
The face shield so it doesn't go into her eyes.
Yep.
The dust, because there are a lot of dust there, so she wants to be really careful. I'm gonna be getting the Christmas tree out, but seriously, do we have to video this part? I don't think so. Alright, we get the Christmas tree out and then we'll let you see. Okie dokes. Later, guys.
So me and my mom swapped. Yeah, because it's like really hard. There's something on top of it that must have shifted or something like that, because like now we can't even lift it up. Oh, this is just fun because our Christmas tree is up there. Well, I think the bits of the Christmas tree up there, if you guys know what I mean. Oh, almost. Oh, I did. Oh, yes, whoa. Mommy.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away. Like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Okay, so finished. Well, not exactly finished, but we're finished with step number 1 of the window. We're going to be doing the window first, and then we're going to move on with something else. I'm not sure what we're doing next, but finished with the lights, and it looks so aesthetic, and it just looks really nice. I really like it. And thank you, Mom. These are all the decorations that we're putting on there. I'll keep you guys updated.
Mommy, it looks so nice.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Decorating, and now I'm going to be showing you guys basically the decorations. So first we're going to start with the door, and on the door just has this really nice cute Christmas tree, and just has these nice flowers on them.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't.
We have your way. It's really nice. Some nice baubles on, and this is my baby sister's Alice's stocking, this is Amanda's stocking. And this is my stocking, and this is my mum's stocking up there, and this is basically how it looks.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it.
And this is the TV stand. It's so cute, and I really, really like this. It just has some nice decorations, and there's our little elf here. So cute. And we just have some nice baubles on there as well. And a reindeer up there. It's like a little stand. This that I like is the sideboard. It's so cute, and I really just like the decorations. And yeah, here's a little sign that just says Noel. It's so cute, and it just lights up. And then we've got like green tinsel on there and a nice candle there. It's so cute. This is a picture of my mum on her wedding day. Isn't she so cute? I have this. I'm not sure how to describe this. I'm just going to say painted for now. And it just says Merry Christmas. Just has a nice tree on it. And then we'll have this really cute snow tree here. And it's so adorable. I really, really like this. A picture of me and my sister there when we were younger. Nice candle here. And this is not a real candle. It's just one with batteries in. It's so cute. And yeah, that's that. This is another window that we have, and it's just close to the garden. It's so cute. It has a really nice view to it, and it just has a Noel sign over there. These really cute candles here. It's just so adorable to on in the night, nice and cozy. It's just so nice. And then we have this prayer here. That's that. These little balls here, and it's really cute. Yeah, finally guys, we have our Christmas tree, and this definitely has to be my favorite part of all the Christmas decorations. I love our Christmas tree so much. Guys, look how tall it is. It's so big. And then up there we have our star, our golden star. Amazing. We have a nice sign that says Merry Christmas. Just a big nice sign. I think it's so cute. One of my favorite baubles on here has to be the ballerina over there. It's so cute. I really like it. From there we have this little cute train underneath where the presents are going to be on Christmas Day, and it just has Santa Claus in there driving the train with these little elves with the Christmas tree out the back, and it's so cute. And here's the little ballerina. It's so cute. I love that so much, guys. And this is the overview of it.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
This is what it looks like at night time.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun.
This is a second window in the house. It's really bit cute. We'll have this little mini Santa Claus, some snow at the top. We'll have these really nice lights, and then we'll have a Christmas tree, a reindeer, a bird there, and a little candle as well. It's very aesthetic, and I really like it. Isn't it so aesthetic? I love it. Comment down below what you guys think of the aesthetic one day.